Bafana Bafana's achievement of reaching their first Africa Cup of Nations semi-final in 24 years has earned the South African Football Association a tight sum. The semi-finalists at the Nations Cup earned $2.5 million, which is 47 million rand in prize money. It is yet to be seen how much of that might be apportioned to the players, who negotiated their bonus structures with SAFA based on tournament progression before January kick-off. South Africa were dramatically knocked out in the semi-finals with their 4-2 penalty shootout defeat against old rivals Nigeria in Ivory Coast on Wednesday night, and the full-time and extra time ended in a draw of 1-1. Both goals were scored from the penalty spot in the second half, with William Troost Ekong slotting for Nigeria while Teboho Mokoena scored for Bafana. The prize money for the 2023 AFCON, taking place in early 2024 due to concerns about the heat of the West African summer, was increased by 40% by the Confederation of African Football. The winners of the tournament, either host or Nigeria, who contest Sunday's final in Abidjan, will take home a cool $7 million, which is over 131 million rand. The runners-up will pocket $4 million, which is 75 million rand, for their federation, while all the quarterfinals take home $1.3 million, which is over 24 million rand. SAFA is yet to clarify how much Bafana Bafana players will receive for their brave effort at the tournament, as the association has kept the bonus structure under wraps. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.